Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize Wrike for task collaboration, detailed guide step by step clearly. First, log in to your Wrike account. Navigate to the project where you want to optimize task collaboration. Click on the Tasks tab to view all current tasks. Identify the tasks that require collaboration. Open a specific task to view its details. Invite team members by clicking the Share button. Select the team members you want to collaborate with. Add relevant comments or notes in the task comments section. Use it mentions to notify specific team members about your comments. Attach any necessary files or documents directly to the task. Set clear due dates and assign these tasks to the appropriate team members. Utilize the subtasks feature to break larger tasks into manageable parts. Encourage team members to update their progress within the task. Regularly review the task status to ensure everyone is aligned. Use the status drop-down to track progress, such as in progress or completed. Leverage the custom fields option to capture important details specific. Implement tags to categorize tasks for easier tracking and retrieval. Utilize dashboards to consolidate project progress at a glance. Schedule regular check-ins to discuss task updates and roadblocks. Keep communication open and encourage feedback among team members. Adjust tasks, assignments, or deadlines as the project evolves. Use Wrike's reporting features to generate insights on task collaboration. Make sure to celebrate completed tasks to keep team morale high. Stay proactive in identifying and addressing any potential collaboration issues. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize Wrike for improved task collaboration. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.